This map shows where cryptocurrency is taking off around the world. We have, I love maps, geography,
infographics,
and info. Global crypto adoption has taken off in the last year, up 881%, with Vietnam, India, and Pakistan firmly in the lead, according to new data from Chainalysis. I was going to say Chainalysis, but you see, I looked at it more closely and I was like, Chainalysis. Cool name. It is the second year the blockchain data firm has released its Global Crypto Adoption Index, which ranks 154 countries according to metrics such as peer-to-peer exchange trading volume. So actually using crypto, not just sitting on it like a goose on an egg, like you, Will.
That's me. I'm the goose.
Just incubating your crypto.
Keeping it toasty.
All right, so here we go. Countries are scored on a scale of 0 to 1. Ooh, look at us in Chile, Canada, 0.09 index. We're Chile on the crypto. Give us the U.S. 0.22. Okay, bit more crypto. India is looking bold. 0.37 crypto time. Let's go. And you got a couple of other dark ones over there. Vietnam is a 1. And what about beside India, Pakistan over there? No, you're going way too far. There you go. Will, you had it.
Afghanistan.
0.36 is another bold blue color. Very interesting. You look around a map, interactive map of crypto stuff. Cool. How about in Africa? Any countries in Africa on the crypto train? Okay, we have one up there. Kenya. Nigeria, 0.26. Very cool. Venezuela. I like this. All are weighted by purchasing power parity per capita. Oh, wow. They really thought the data through. So trading activity of non-professional users and peer-to-peer exchange trade volume. So they're talking about real adoption. Obviously, if you were talking about volume, things would look different. Total volume. It's probably a lot of stuff moving around in the States. Whales and such.
Yeah, they're swimming in the States.
Global adoption of cryptocurrency has taken off in the last year, up 881%, with Vietnam, India, and Pakistan firmly in the lead. Cool. You guys let me know in the comments if you're into crypto, which country you're in, and why.